Russia's ambitious plan to revitalize its civil aviation industry through the Comprehensive Program for the Development of the Aviation Industry, CPDA, is facing significant challenges. An external audit of United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, has revealed a substantial mismatch between projected demand and planned production of civilian aircraft. This report delves into the key findings of the audit, the underlying issues, and the potential implications for the Russian aviation industry. Approved in June 2022, the CPDA outlined a target of producing nearly 1,000 civilian aircraft by 2030. The program was underpinned by an estimated domestic and export demand of 1,800 aircraft by 2040, including 342 SJ-100, 990 MS-21-310, and other models. To achieve this, a substantial investment of $10 billion was earmarked, with contributions from the National Wealth Fund, bank loans, project participants, and the government. However, the audit has cast doubt on the feasibility of these ambitious targets. With planned production ranging from 140 to 270 aircraft per year, auditors estimate actual demand at a significantly lower 50 to 60 aircraft. This discrepancy highlights a fundamental misalignment between supply and demand. The audit revealed a demand structure heavily skewed towards the MS-21, with limited prospects for the Tu-2114 and an oversupply looming for the SJ-100, following Aeroflot's decision to cancel 89 SJ-100 and 40 Tu-214 orders in favor of the MS-21. While UAC maintains that the current fleet of 880 aircraft can support passenger traffic until 2028 to 2029, the audit predicts production exceeding demand even before this period. This implies a risk of overproduction and potential economic losses. Furthermore, based on airline surveys, the aircraft quantity plans appear inflated. Industry experts question the reported demand for 1,800 aircraft by 2035, with significant orders from Aeroflot, Red Wings, and S7. The audit uncovered substantial cost pressures affecting aircraft production. The production cost of the first SJ-100s by 2027 is estimated at $63 million, while the MS-21 is pegged at nearly $103 million. These figures represent break-even points for 2023. Government-set directive prices for the SJ-100 and MS-21 fall significantly short of production costs, with the gap covered by the budget. This discrepancy and rising component costs and labor expenses pose a significant financial burden. The forced replacement of Western engines with domestic alternatives has driven up the cost of the MS-21. The PD-14 engine is priced at nearly $22.5 million, compared to the previous $10 and $11.25 million for the Pratt & Whitney engine. Auditors estimate that the production cost of the first MS-21 aircraft could increase by 30% to $143.75 million, widening the gap with the directive price and necessitating additional government subsidies of up to $50 billion for this project alone. The audit identified a risk of cash flow gaps throughout the supply chain, with one source mentioning a gap of about $1.1875 billion. This could lead to delays in component purchases and disruptions in aircraft delivery schedules. To mitigate these risks, discussions are underway to increase aircraft prices or implement new subsidy schemes. Additionally, a Rostec working group is focused on reducing production costs through long-term contracts and economies of scale. The audit's findings underscore the need to reassess Russia's civil aviation strategy comprehensively. A new transportation model aligned with realistic passenger traffic and economically justified aircraft orders is imperative. The government must balance the need to support the domestic aviation industry with the financial implications of the CPDA. Subsidies, while necessary, must be carefully managed to avoid unsustainable costs. The aviation industry must adapt to evolving market conditions, focusing on cost reduction, efficiency improvements, and the development of competitive aircraft products. Russia's civil aviation ambitions face significant hurdles. Addressing the issues identified in the audit is crucial for the industry's long-term viability. Now, do you think Russia can win overseas market with costly aircrafts? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.